All right, so if I was to ask you what you like to do in your free time, I would use this question. En tu tiempo libre, ¿qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? And then you would just fill in the blank with activities that you like to do. Me gusta. So I could say, me gusta escuchar música y comer. So I want you to think for just a minute of how you would answer this question. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? You can look at your vocabulary list or just think about how you would answer this question. Muy bien. Okay. Or I could ask you, ¿qué no te gusta hacer? What do you not like to do? And you'll notice something different here. We use this word ni. Ni, if you're a fan of Monty Python and the Knights of Ni from the Holy Grail. So this would be, if I don't like something, I would say I don't like this nor that. So instead of using e as my connecting word or and, I use ni when it's something I don't like. So for me, I could say, no me gusta montar en monopatín ni jugar videojuegos. I don't like to skateboard or play video games. Yeah, I'm old. I get it. So think about how you would answer this question for yourself. Think about two activities that you don't like to do. ¿Qué no te gusta hacer? Muy bien. So I want you to think of how you would answer this question. You can choose me gusta, me encanta, I love it, or no me gusta. ¿Te gusta montar en bici? Do you like to ride a bike? For this, I would say, me gusta, sí, me gusta. ¿Te gusta comer pizza? Do you like to eat pizza? Which one would you choose? Me gusta, me encanta, or no me gusta? For me, I would say, me encanta. What about cantar? ¿Te gusta cantar? Do you like to sing? I would say, me encanta. ¿Te gusta leer libros? Do you like to read books? Think of how you would answer that question. I would say, me gusta. ¿Te gusta estudiar historia? Do you like to study history? How would you answer that? ¿Te gusta estudiar historia? I would say me encanta, because I always really liked history. All right, bien. All right, so clase, we're going to continue practicing. I'll introduce some new slides, but for now, we'll leave it at that. Adios.